You are the love of my life. And I love this life that we have. Gagawin ko ang lahat, para proteksyonan ito at ikaw.
Happy anniversary.
Ben? Nagising ako kanina, wala ka.
Ben?
Saan ka galing?
I was here the whole time, sleeping beside you.
Okay, so basically, you're gonna pay someone from the internet to flirt with Ben. Tapos titignan nila if he flirts back, if i-deny niya na may asawa siya, or if itataboy niya yung tester.
That's not gonna work.
I'm telling you, this works.
Kayo pa lang po kasi yung nanghingi ng resume para po sa loyalty tester. Gusto niyo po bang malaman kung ilan na po yung natest ko?
I don't treat this as a normal thing. I need assurance that this is safe, that I can trust you. How much is it again?
Ayan po ma'am, depende po yan sa ipapagawa niyo po sa akin. Kayo po ang magsasabi kung
50K per week.
Ho?
My husband is different. May hindi sinasabi sa akin si Ben. May tinatago.
Okay po, ma'am. Tik-tik, man-man. Matsyag sa mga cheaters.
Diyan dapat tayo magaling.
I want you to be honest with me. Mapagkakatiwalaan kita, di ba?
At sana, safe yan. Hindi ka mapahamak dyan.
How does a woman forgive a man who cheated on her? Tapos mo ibigay lahat. Your love, your loyalty.
Hindi nga isasabi. Hindi.
Kailan ba naman tayo tatapin ng tao?